Well, now we have everything clean and we are ready to go. The rubber seals. So I like to put here in my nail, on my nail, and okay, it's in. Now we just have to reassemble the lighter here in this hole. Okay, the spark wheel in its place. This bar that opens and shuts the gas. Look, this hole must go with this part here. Okay, ready. Now this little wire here. This part. The bar, this little bar, must be on top of the other black bar. Okay. So therefore, when you open the flint, it will close the gas. Okay. Now, this part. Let's see if it's okay. Okay, it's perfectly in. I think, no, a little bit more over here. Now it is. Now it is. Okay. The screw over here. Oh. Okay. Now just put it a little bit inside. Don't screw it tight yet. We will do it afterwards. Now just a little bit in. We get the gas nozzle. Like that. Yeah, you mustn't tight the other one so the gas nozzle can get in. Once the gas nozzle is in, like now, you press one on the other until they are totally tight. Okay. Okay, almost a little bit tighter. Okay, almost there. Now with the pluggers. Tighty. Okay. One go to the other side. Was already tight. Okay, this is perfect already. Well, we're going to put this one first. And this metal component. screw. Okay, make it tight, because this screw with the opening and closing of the lid usually gets a little bit loose. Okay, perfect. Now the same way as we did before, but the other way around. Let's see here. Okay, you press and get it in. Okay, let's get the flint. In it, the flint. Okay. Let's get this tested. Well, this lighter doesn't need to change these rubber seals, and because it's for my personal collection and it's not leaking gas over there, I'm not going to change it. But I'm going to show with other lighter how you would do it. Okay, now we do have a flame, and let's see the flow, it's okay. And let's see if it shuts the gas before the lids get okay, perfect. As you see, the flame will shut before the lids. Okay, job is done. I'm going to make a quick showing quickly how to remove and change the rubber seals from the valve from this lighter that is not in use. I had it for spare parts. Well, this key you must use. Screw it to the end, tight. This part, make it really tight. Really tight as you can. And unscrew. Okay, valve is out. Here the rubber seal got stuck inside, so you have to remove. Okay. Here we have the rubber seal. This version of older line ones until the 80s or lately 80s, they did this version that you can unscrew. Later versions, it's a little bit different and more difficult. I will, if you ask for it, I will show in other video. Okay. Get bigger screw for this. This is okay. You have to unscrew this part over here. It's like a lid. Okay. Okay, unscrewed the little wire. Yeah, and the nozzle here it's apart, and here the other part with the rubber seal. Opa. Here is the rubber seal that must be changed. I'm going to do it with the same, just to show you. The nozzle part in. Okay, rubber seal in. Make sure it's flat on the bottom. Okay, this part. Am I doing? Yep, it's right. Yep. Is it? Am I doing? Yep. Yep. And back in the screw. Tighten it a little bit. Maybe I tied too much. Okay. Rubber seal. Also some Teflon can be put around this screw. Tight again. Okay, make it tight. Loose this part and ready. Okay.